recording now. We outside, man.
We outside, man.
We outside, man. You know.
Range day, man.
You know, range day. Yeah. I've been bullshitting.
You have.
I've been bullshitting, y'all. Oh man, he got me out here. You know. Now I got him out here. We gonna talk for real. I got him out here.
He called me 2 minutes him pulling up.
You know. That's what it is. You know.
We getting active, man.
Got to get active.
Got to get active.
Got to get out there.
Top of the morning, man.
That's what we do.
Glock switches and tricks, youngers up blow your bar. These niggas picking and choosing guns, he's a collector. Every sister Corona, youngers be building guns like Legos. Glock switches and tricks, we got clippers like BARBERS. It's a one-stop shop, they get the hop in the counters. Call up the doctor, I got them uppers and downers. If I catch Barbie, don't call up Whitney, I'm serving it, bitch. I used to look up the rappers until I found out they was tootin'. They be acting like my auntie, niggas be acting like some bitches. Ain't no hanging with these niggas, I be hanging with my bust. I'm in the lingo, get to run a war. Show a nigga, but you can't teach. You be fishing, they get to reach. You can't get a feed in that line, they get to eat. These niggas worse than my children, they get to teach. All you gotta do is listen to the doctor when I get to preach. Don't get left in that trap, you'll get the leak. Why they got something about my drip, I gotta reach. You and a bitch stop to reach. And a 40 on my neck, I got his ass bleed. Bitch, I'm the doctor, this ain't no corona. I'm in there selling DVDs, this ain't no PPP. I keep a Glock when I slide and collect the pair.
So what?
Some eye gear.
Put my shades back on.
Huh?
I'm put my sunglasses back on.
You can't even see through the scope. Huh? You can't even see through the scope. You can't see through it? Load that bitch up.
Glock switches and tricks, we got clippers like Bob. It's a one-stop shop, they get the hop in the counters. Call up the doctor, I got them uppers and downers. I call up Whitney, I'm serving it, bitch. I used to look up the rappers until I found out it was two. Glock switches and tricks, we got clippers like Bob. It's a one-stop shop, they get the hop in the counters. Call up the doctor, I got them uppers and downers. If I catch Barbie, don't call up.
The fuck? I missed the whole fucking thing. What the fuck? But I gotta go back and shoot it. That's all. Alright, okay, so now
How you like it?
I'm thinking I'm getting. Damn! Stop playing with your boy! Send him ass!
Okay.
Bruh!
Okay.
Bruh!
That's cool.
Bruh! What?
Ooh.
What?
But look, you had 10 bullets. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Where is that last one?
Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Damn, what the other one go? The other one was anyway. That was the first one. That was the first one, bro.
Yeah, this shit
the
cool.
first one?
You see?
That bitch went everywhere. All right, come on. Let's see. All right, look. Bang! Look, these two is on your hands. Yeah. You see?
Nah, see, you see my shit right here. I got this shit right there.
Nope. I got that on yours. Put the flashlight on. Yeah, I gotta see. What the fuck you doing? Fuck you doing? You record?
Yeah, they gonna kick our ass out, nigga.
Oh, wait. this one. It's a good video. That was fire, good. Yeah. He's some shit too. This nigga some shit too. You hitting all up here, but
I hit right here.
come on, cuz. Come on, cuz. Come on, cuz. I can shoot. We gotta put the next one up.
Squat. Squat. Crazy. Hey.
Save the bitch, man. Save the bitch. Don't shoot the bitch. Save the bitch. Save the bitch. Hit the nigga on the right. Hit the nigga on the right. Come on, hit the nigga up top.
Hey, that bitch dead. That bitch dead. Damn, oh, fuck that. See what I'm saying? Hey, she ain't.
Shot her on her side, bro.
I ain't getting nothing.
You ain't hit no zombie. You hit a nigga in the ear, bro. Oh, okay, you got her. Oh, you got her.
It's bad though. She died.
Yeah.
She just got a bullet wound though.
Yeah, she'll be alright. Oh, you know what's tight? You see how it turned color? You see how she got the ooze purple?
Oh, zombie type shit.
This shit tight. Go back.
Yeah, I fuck this shit up.
Alright, I got the lucky folks.
Alright, man. Take it home, Q. Take it home, Q.
That bitch dead. That bitch dead. Fuck that bitch, man. Them bitches don't do shit but take our money, not shit and all that. That bitch is dead, man. That bitch is dead. I went straight forward. Straight forward. Gang, gang, gang.
Nah, man.
Gang, 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 gang.
Hey, bro, that's how we ended, man.
That's how you ended.
That good range day, man. We out this motherfucker, man.
Topping, y'all try to come next time, you know what I'm saying? You know, we gonna be out here. We about to go, I don't know, I'm probably about to go get my dogs done, go look at some little bitches and shit. What time is it? Yeah, it's time to go get out here. Back again at you, and we was shooting at this, 49 yards, all games. 49 yards, bro. 49 yards. 49 yards.
Hey, man, we gone, man.
Louis, baby, if I was fucking with that too. Baby, I'm a pimp, yeah, I can't lie, I'll tell the truth. Yeah, I got Cardi on my wrist, so I never need a boo. Yelling cause I got an auntie.